Okay, take 2 on Matthew and Kyle's totally awesome sledding adventure. This is Matthew's gonna go off this brick wall thing. Don't do this at home. Go. Go.
Oh, yeah.
All good?
That was awesome. That was Kyle.
Behind the scenes, Kyle falling on his butt. Okay, so that was totally radical. Wow.
Yeah, so you guys see how fun we are. We can be very fun. We're very dangerous. And look at my sled. That's how it landed.
Yeah, it's right here up on the rock wall.
Alright, I'm trying something.
What? What are you doing?
Alright, look out.
Okay, backing up. Kyle, you gonna give this a try? Okay, signing off.
Okay, bye!